Understanding Eyelash Growth, a beginner's guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, eyelash growth. This is a common term in beauty and health discussions. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday English. Eyelashes are the short hairs that grow at the edge of your eyelids. They have important functions, such as protecting your eyes from debris and helping to sense when something is near your eye. In many cultures, long and thick eyelashes are considered a sign of beauty. Eyelash growth refers to the natural process where eyelashes become longer or thicker. This can happen naturally, or it can be enhanced through various products and treatments. It's a topic often discussed in beauty circles. For many, eyelash growth is important for cosmetic reasons. Longer and fuller lashes are often seen as attractive. Additionally, for some people, eyelash growth is important for medical reasons, such as recovering from hair loss due to medical conditions. There are several ways to promote eyelash growth. 1. Natural remedies, like oils and serums applied to the lashes. 2. Cosmetic products, such as special mascaras or over-the-counter growth serums. 3. Prescription treatments, prescribed by doctors for more significant growth needs. It's important to debunk some myths. False belief: trimming eyelashes makes them grow longer. Truth: eyelashes have a set growth cycle, and trimming doesn't affect this. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of eyelash growth and how it's used in English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.